Hello. In this video, we'll show how to use the summation function in tables in Microsoft Word. If you work with tables in Word, you no longer need to calculate totals by hand. Let's get started. In front of us is a table showing annual electronics sales. Let's say we want to calculate the total number of units sold for each quarter. First, click into the empty cell below the first quarter. Then, go to the Table Layout tab in the top right corner. In the data group, click Formula. The Formula dialog box will open. Word automatically inserts a formula that sums the values in the column above the selected cell. Click OK to complete the calculation. You can repeat this process to sum each column. Keep in mind that this doesn't work the same way as in Excel. If you change a value in a table, Word won't automatically recalculate the result. For example, if we change the number of computers sold in the first quarter, you'll see that the total remains unchanged. How can we fix this? Simply right-click the calculated value and select Update Field. Simple, right? That's not all, though. Now, let's move on to the second table and see how to sum values in rows. It's just as easy. Click on the empty cell to the right of Sum. Go to the Table Layout tab and select Formula. You'll notice that Word automatically changes the value in the parentheses from above to left, which sums the values to the left of the cell. Just click OK and you're done. Now, let's look at three additional functions you may encounter: average, maximum, and minimum. Click into the empty cell to the right of average. Go to Table Layout, Formula. Now, delete everything in the formula field except the equals sign. Open the Paste function drop-down menu and select Average. Next, specify the direction from which Word should calculate the average. You can use above, left, right, or down. In this table, the values are on the left, so enter left inside the parentheses. Click OK, and you're done. Word will calculate the average number of smartphones sold per quarter. Now, let's quickly look at maximum and minimum. Click on the empty cell next to maximum, and then go to Table Layout, Formula. Delete everything in the formula field except the equals sign again. Select max from the paste function list and enter left inside the parentheses. Click OK, and you will see that the maximum number of printers sold is 69. Use the same process to calculate the minimum. You will see that the minimum number of accessories sold is 67.
If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.